Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Budget Bushcraft. My name is BK. Today I thought we would talk about some assistive fire starters and compare a dollar purchase from Walmart versus some cotton balls soaked in a candle wax, a makeup remover soaked in paraffin or candle wax with a little bit of citronella oil in it to help maybe control the bugs in the beginning a little bit, and just some regular old fat wood with some feather sticking done to it. So let's go see what I got. This is the Walmart fire starter. This is cotton ball soaked in a paraffin wax. This is a astringent pad, again soaked in wax, and there's a little bit of citronella oil mixed in with it. Let's see if we can get this one fluffed up a little bit. Not so well. And this is just a small piece of fat wood. As you can see, the cotton ball soaked in the paraffin, not doing the greatest. I'm going to try that one again. Walmart, not so well. Paraffin soaked cotton ball, I had to work with it twice. The astringent pad soaked in wax and essentially bent in half. Pretty good job. Fat wood fired up right away, and now we're going to see which of these four burns the longest with roughly the same volume. So as you could probably guess, based on those results, I always carry the wax soaked cotton balls. You can use dryer lint or any fibrous material like that, but we could see that the makeup remover pad had about the same volume that the cotton ball did, if you were to flatten it out. But for some reason, that extra amount of wax that soaks into the cotton ball makes it burn for much, much longer. And especially if you have damp kindling that you're trying to get a fire started with, it's just so much better. If you liked it, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and always remember, get out and enjoy this. Just don't spend a lot of money. Thanks, guys.